Hello everyone, and hopefully this will be a quick hit today because we're going to be talking about going through our GUI using tabs. So generally the overall point is if I hit a keyboard tab, it will go to a specific item on my GUI. When I hit my tab 1, it goes to my little folder here, then it goes to this. I skip over this because this is just giving you feedback. It's not an active part, so I only tab through my active parts that you can manually put things in. So how do you do it? Well, in the old way, you used to do this through Visual Studio's menu, which is real simple and easy. And at first it seems like, oh, we're digressing, but the key is that behind the scenes it was doing the same thing as what we're going to be doing now. So let me just move this off, because really all that we're talking about is we're going to use this thing called tab index. And you just number all of your items, preferably in order, from 0 to whatever. And let's get out of our actual GUI and let's look at the design view, which is in XAML. But that's okay. We like XAML once in a while. It gives us time to be a little creative. And like I was saying before, if I can click on one of my elements, it's a button, and then I assign it a tab index. But as you can see, a text box here can also get a tab index. I use these guys as kind of groups. So I have this grouping, parent folder through destination folder, which you're kind of doing the initial stuff. Then you make the decision on if you're going to copy or overwrite. Then at the end, you're going to push play, pause, whatever. So kind of going from groups top left to bottom right. Once you've numbered all those out, just let them ride. Try to make sure you don't skip any, and try not to double label ones. So make sure if you call this tab 5, make sure you don't have another tab index 5. And let's run this one more time. So I've got a tab again. And as you can see at the end, it goes back to the original tab order. And the nice thing about doing the tab index way, there's no way for it to go to anything that you did not put on the tab index. So in other words, I can't get to my little hand here. I can't get to these two dynamic texts. And that's it. Good luck. Hey, if you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button to our channel. This would help us out greatly. If you'd like to support us in other ways, our app is available for purchase at digitaltumult.com or the Microsoft Store. See the links below. We appreciate your support. Thanks.